Today we're headed back downtown to stay at the Four Queens again. We had a very pleasant surprise at check-in. We thought we had a regular room booked. We asked if there were any upgrades available, and she said, "You're already in a royal suite." I don't know who or how that happened, but let's go check out a royal suite.
This is nice. We were expecting a regular room and they're like, "You have a suite."
Yeah, we asked about an upgrade and she said, "You're already in a suite." It has a very nice and good sized bathroom with granite countertops, tile floors that look like wood.
This is nice.
And it has an interesting walk-in shower with multiple jets. You have a good supply of your usual soaps, creams, and lotions. Has a neat little makeup area here. The room comes with a hairdryer, an iron and ironing board. And this supersized room has lots of extra space. Has a very comfortable king-size bed, and they say it has upgraded linens. I guess they're talking about thread count. I can tell you it is very comfortable. We slept very well here. Has a large living area with an overstuffed leather couch and love seat, and the couch pulls out into a queen-size bed. You also have a little dining area and a 55-inch TV mounted above a large dresser. The room comes with a mini fridge.
Got a fridge. We got a microwave and a Keurig and free coffee. This is like the gourmet coffee you find at Caesar's.
That's a $20 pack at Caesar's.
Yeah. I think it has like...
Actually, there's 4 of them. That would be $40.
Yeah, I think there's only 2 of them at Caesar's.
Because for $20, you could get...
That's nice.
I like these leather couches.
This is it's a pull-out couch.
Oh, yeah.
Sleeper sofa. Yeah.
And we do enjoy our stays at the Four Queens. Maybe it's just me, but it seems like it's easier to hit Four Queens when you're at the Four Queens. Mindy has had very good luck in the Four Queens casino.
Mindy hit her first royal flush.
Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm drinking.
From the casino, you can step right out onto Fremont Street. It's a great place to take a walk in the evening and watch all the craziness. Or in the morning or early afternoon, it's a very peaceful place to take a walk. Looks very different than it did last night. While you're at the Four Queens, they have a good variety of meal options. You can have fine dining at Hugo's Cellar. Or another great option is Magnolias. They have some very fine food at reasonable prices. They have a great breakfast. And for dinner, be sure and look for their 2-for-1 prime rib coupons. It's a fantastic deal. Right next door to Magnolias, you've got the Chicago Brewery. They have great beer, really good fresh-made root beer. They have great stone oven pizza, sliders, and all kinds of good bar snacks. Anytime you're at the Four Queens, Mindy and I recommend you see the Mike Hammer show. He's a hilarious comedian and a really good magician. If you've made it this far in the video, please hit that like button. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you when we see you.